Lipstick. A simple swipe can transform a face, boost confidence, and make a statement. For centuries, lipstick has been a staple in women's beauty routines, transcending cultures and trends. From ancient civilizations to the modern era, lipstick has held a special place in our hearts and on our dressing tables. But what is it about this little tube of color that holds such allure? Perhaps it's the power to instantly enhance our natural beauty, or the way it allows us to express our individuality through a spectrum of shades. Whatever the reason, lipstick remains a timeless icon, a symbol of femininity, and a testament to the enduring power of beauty. Let's delve into the world of lipstick, uncovering the secrets behind its creation, and exploring the fascinating journey it takes from the laboratory to our lips. Lipstick's magic lies in its unique blend of ingredients, each carefully selected to create the perfect texture, color, and finish. While the exact formula varies depending on the brand and type of lipstick, there are some key components that form the foundation of this beloved beauty product. First, we have waxes, the backbone of any lipstick. Waxes like beeswax, carnauba wax, and candelilla wax provide the structure and solidity that allow the lipstick to be molded and applied smoothly. Next come oils and butters, the moisturizing agents that give lipstick its creamy texture and prevent it from drying out our lips. Common examples include castor oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter. Of course, no lipstick would be complete without pigments and dyes, the elements responsible for its vibrant hues. These can be either organic or inorganic, ranging from natural mineral pigments to synthetic colorants. Finally, we have preservatives and fragrances, which help to extend the shelf life of the lipstick and give it a pleasant scent. The journey of a lipstick from a set of raw ingredients to a coveted beauty product is a fascinating one. It involves a carefully orchestrated process that combines science and artistry. The first step is the melting and mixing stage. The waxes, oils, and butters are heated separately until they reach a liquid state. Then, they are carefully blended together, along with the chosen pigments and dyes. This molten mixture is then poured into molds, which come in various shapes and sizes to create different lipstick bullet designs. Once the lipstick has cooled and solidified, it is carefully removed from the molds. The final stage involves adding the finishing touches. This might include flame polishing the lipstick to give it a smooth, glossy finish or adding a layer of protective wax. And voila! The lipstick is now ready to be packaged and shipped off to makeup lovers worldwide. Throughout history, lipstick has seen its fair share of innovations and unusual ingredients. Did you know that ancient civilizations used crushed insects, berries, and even henna to create lip colors? Cleopatra was said to have used a mixture of crushed carmine beetles and red ochre to achieve her signature red lips. Thankfully, lipstick formulations have come a long way since then. Today, we have lipsticks infused with hydrating serums, plumping agents, and even SPF for sun protection. The world of lipstick is constantly evolving, with new technologies and ingredients emerging all the time. Who knows what the future holds for this timeless beauty staple? One thing is for sure, lipstick will continue to play a starring role in our self-expression and beauty rituals for years to come.